If you're wondering if you can play Farming Simulator 25 in co-op, you can absolutely do that. There's a multiplayer feature for the game. You can find it in the main menu of the game. Click on it, and right here we can either create the game or join the game. And in this case, let me show you how to quickly set up your server. Just hit create the game, then pick a save slot for that game. In this case, we're gonna go with the first one. Then we can enable or disable mods, and this is quite important, since when you enable some of the mods, your friend also needs to download these mods, otherwise he won't be able to join. So let's leave those disabled and continue. Now we can create the name for our server. Make sure to note it, then the password. If you want to keep the game private only with your friends, then set up the password and also note it. Then there's the port number. Make sure it's unlocked if on your router, and your friends also need to have to unlock it. Then there's internet connection that you have. You need to select the one that matches your connection speed. Change the amount of players that will be able to join the server. If you select 2, only you and your friend will be able to join. Then the multiplayer language for the filtering. You can select whichever one you like, but note it as well. Then you can enable crossplay or disable it. It will allow your friends to join the game if they're playing on a different platform like PlayStation and you're playing on PC. If the crossplay is enabled, then they can join. If it's off, they won't be able to join. We can also enable or disable auto accept, which means you'll be able to automatically accept anyone who joins this server, so we can turn it on. Now you can click on start and the game should load, after which your friend will need to go right here into the join game. Then use the filters on the right to choose the language which you picked and noted in the creation. Then the game name, after which they can see it right here. Double click on that server and enter the password if you made one, and that way they'll be able to join.